Hello everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we'll be telling you how you can set up Siri on your iPhone. You just need to check out if you have the latest version, so the maximum features you can enable. So just need to go to settings, and after going to settings you just need to go to general and software update. Make sure you have an iOS 18 above, and just go back after verifying it. Just go to the Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you have a previous version, there is only written Siri in the setting option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it just swipe up and you see that there is an option talk to Siri. Just tap on it and you see that it's off. If you want to enable the Siri, by just saying hey Siri, it will automatically recognize that you are talking to the Siri or hey Siri. So I recommend you to select the top variant, so whenever you say Siri or hey Siri, the Apple phone recognize you and the Siri is activated. For example, in my case I'm just activating it and showing you how you can activate. Just tap on it and it will ask you to set up Siri. You just need to continue the option. Just continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction home. Siri, play some music. Okay, so that's how our Siri is ready. Just need to done, and our Siri is activated. So now I want to communicate with this Siri. So let's have a look. Hey Siri, send a message to my friend on WhatsApp, Shahroz. Hi. Okay, so it's working. Okay, so that's how you can actually use the Siri. Okay Siri, goodbye. So that's how you can enable your Siri. And now to enable the Apple Intelligence. Hey Siri, bye bye, please close yourself. Okay, so it's gone. Now to enable the Apple Intelligence, you just need to go to settings, and after going to settings you just need to go to the Apple Intelligence option, and you need to enable the Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is just like an AI of an Apple, which makes your phone experience a lot better and make your Siri actually more effective in multiple tasks. Just enable this setting from here. And another option, if your phone is locked and you want to talk to your phone or send any specific message or receive a call, you just need to make sure that your phone is locked and your Siri is able to access your voice or anything command. You just need to enable this as well. It will ask you for the passcode, give the passcode, and it is enabled now. You can select the different voices of your Siri from here. For example, I have selected for British accent voice 1. You can select any voice
of the sky fade with the setting sun as
which you want. So that's how you can change the voices of Siri and make whatever voice you like from the accept option. So that's how you can actually set up your Siri and Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you still have any question, just leave a comment and I'll try to make another tutorial for you in an upcoming video. Bye bye.